Hey neighbors, it's Tom LaRock with Your Castle, your trusted real estate advisor and neighbor here in Jefferson County. We are on Arvada Street, just west of Ward Road and just outside the city limit of Arvada. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,400 square foot ranch home has just sold. And if you live anywhere near the area, this may very well have implications in terms of the value of your property. This was a perfect example of how I sell homes. Charlotte and her family had received a few of my letters, and they called me to ask if I could help sell this beautiful home. Well, the first thing we did was take a walk through, and I made several suggestions in terms of what improvements might be made to the home in order to make the most of their selling proceeds. I'm a licensed general contractor myself, and once we agreed on a scope of work, I even managed many of the repairs myself. So then we hit the market, and within 3 days we had multiple offers. We accepted one that was well above the list price, and we closed that sale in exactly 34 days. If you're curious at all about the value of your property, you can click over to the TLRE website that you see below, or just give me a call. I'm Tom LaRock at 303-522-1669.